I have always been such a colorful, bright person, if you can tell by my past videos. And for some reason in 2019, 2020, I kind of dove off of that. I wore such safe clothing. It's 2021. No more. I decided to go into the thrift store and change it up. We are going to be thrifting my Pinterest. I went into 2 thrift stores and we are just kind of dipping our feet into the water. So I found quite a few things and I'm so excited to show you guys. If you are not already subscribed to my channel, please make sure you are. So this is my Pinterest aesthetic. I am very much into all of the colorful trends right now. I'm really into matching prints, whether it's floral, checkered, or animal print. I'm also really into fur and the girly kind of look. So if this is my Pinterest board, why don't I dress like it? A lot of these trends have already passed, so which means it's at the thrift store somewhere there. It is COVID season. By season, I mean it's been almost a year. And the thrift store is a great place and all, but I feel so grossed out in there. Me being a bit of a germaphobe, I do wear gloves. So I wore gloves on my left hand and then carried my phone on the right. The very first thing that caught my eyes was this green section. There was this amazing floral, I don't know what kind of green this is, but it is stunning. It was kind of like a raincoat and it was very oversized. I would have gotten it, but I just thought I'd show you guys so you can see what they had. Another thing I found was this puffer jacket. It's not like the typical puffer jacket that everyone has now, but it definitely had some puff to it. It was very oversized and I had a feeling it wouldn't fit me as well, so I had to pass on that. I'm also really trying to stay away from coats and outerwear because I live in the desert and it's gonna get hot in like 2 months. I was also trying to stay away from the colors black, white, and brown. I know brown is such a thing, but I was trying to stay away from more neutral colors because I wanted to go out of my comfort zone. I found so many amazing things at this thrift shop, but you'll see throughout that I tend to put things back because I realize that it's not for me, or what if I don't wear it, or maybe I don't need it, so I just put it back. And that's always a good mindset when going into the thrift store because I know some people tend to go crazy and I don't want to be like that. I want to have self-control. Another thing I found was this really beautiful purple turtleneck top and it was stunning, but I knew I didn't need it, so I just left it there for someone else. This jacket was so beautiful. It's this purple jacket. It has a matching top with it and the gold detailings, the buttons are beautiful. I spent quite a long time deciding if I wanted this jacket and I literally just said that I don't need any more outerwear, so honestly I put it back. Another thing I found was this leopard slash cheetah print coat. It's faux fur and it was so soft, you guys. I already have a coat kind of like this. It's the same leopard print. I got it from Princess Polly, but for some reason this one was such better quality and it was so much softer. Another thing I found was this really oversized muted green button up, but I just thought the material wasn't my favorite and I felt like I wouldn't be wearing it as much. I also found this really cute sweater vest. It was a little bit of a button up and the blue was just so pretty. I was also really intrigued with this top. It was a deep V neck and it had flowers on the details, but for some reason I just felt like it would be way too deep. But the waistline and how it cinches on the waist was wow. I love that detail. I also went through the purse section just to see, and I ended up finding something which was really awesome. I ended up going to a Goodwill, which is another thrift store, and I found a couple things, but I didn't really get them all. Okay, So my sister was with me when we were thrift shopping, and she found these two items after I found them, and she bought them because she's my sister. She has to share with me, right? So she ended up getting the purple jacket that I showed you guys earlier. It did come with a matching top, so that's what it looks like. I was more intrigued on the jacket though. It looks like this. It is so pretty. I just feel like it's so elegant. I can definitely pair this with a bunch of other different colors if I wanted to. It doesn't have to match with purple. I feel like this would be something that I could find on Pinterest for sure. I think it's just because of the colors, but I'm still gonna borrow it. Drapers and Damon's. This is an extra small for petite. Okay, I'm gonna do this fast because it is getting pretty dark. Another thing that she got was the coat that I was so intrigued by, but I knew I didn't need it, so I put it away, but then she grabbed it. This thing is so soft, you guys. Don't worry, everything is washed. I'm not sure what the brand is, but it is pretty oversized compared to the one that I have at the moment from Princess Polly, but it is so pretty. I feel like you could just never go wrong with animal print. Okay, now these are the items that I actually bought and I found, and I'm so excited. The first thing is a jacket. It said it was a shirt, so I'm guessing it's more of like maybe it is a shirt. It is this really beautiful zebra print. It's a button up and a long sleeve, and the material is so soft. I'm guessing it's like a suede. It's from the brand called Lemongrass Studio, and this is a medium. I had to get it because I thought that I only stuck with leopard print, and I just really needed to do something different, so I went with zebra print. Zebra print has been in lately. I love the fact that it's more of a gray and black color scheme than a white and black. I got 3 tops. I have a sweater vest, but my mom is very angry with me because when I got home, I put everything in the wash and I didn't read the care for some of them. This sweater vest is from Banana Republic. It's a size medium. I'm an idiot because it's 100% cashmere, and I put it in the wash. I'm looking at it and it's gotten worse. Okay, so it has holes. There's a hole here. There's holes here. There's just this huge hole now. It was not there when I bought it. And I should have seen the tag because it says it's 100% cashmere. And you gotta take care of this because this is very delicate material. That is a fail on me. But because sweater vests are so in right now, I thought I had to get it, and despite it being ripped, I still think it's cute, and hopefully I can fix it, even though it's probably going to look so bad if I even try. Another top that I got is this tank top. It's by Calvin Klein, and it's a size small, and it is just this beautiful pattern. I remember wearing things like this when I was in middle school. This exact material with a probably similar design. If you guys have seen the second skin tops, and I feel like there has to be some in the thrift store, so this was one of the closest things that I found. It's obviously not a long sleeve or a second skin type of material, but it is this mesh see-through transparent top, and I just feel like it would look so cute with a bralette under. Another top that I got is this purple one. I got it from Goodwill, and this is the brand Hippie Rose. It's this top right here, and it has a cute little knot in the front, but what really intrigued me to this top was the sleeves. They are flared sleeves. I think that's what you call them, flared. When I saw this, I just thought it would look so cute with my purple sweatpants, like maybe an all purple outfit, or let's say all monochromatic outfits. And the last clothing item that I got is this really pretty tank top. I'm not sure if you guys are able to catch it on the camera, but metallic and glitter is so in, and when I saw this tank top. I had to get it. I just thought this would be so cute for the springtime and transitioning into spring. I could even crop it because it looks like it was previously cropped. It's so cute. I showed it to my mom and my mom was like, I literally have something like that. So the one accessory that I bought is actually this purse right here. It's this light brown snakeskin crocodile. I sanitized it and everything. It's from Nine West. This has a lot more room. I just thought I would branch out, and instead of just the smaller shoulder bags that I always wear, the baguette bag, I can also wear this where it has more room and it's a bit bigger and it has a nice shape. I just thought it was so cute and I'm so glad I found this. So that is everything that I got from the thrift store. I'm so excited to change up my style for 2021. Comment what you would describe your style in the comments below. I feel like mine is very girly, colorful, sometimes casual. I'm just like speaking words now. I don't even know what I'm saying. But I love you guys. Make sure to subscribe to my channel and I will see you in my next video. Bye!